I actually don't own a hairdryer, but this one is supposed to be comparable to the Dyson. This is what it looks like. This is stunning. And this is supposed to be the cool part. This is like magnetic. These are the settings on the back. Second. Okay, I'm gonna turn it on. So it has a cold setting, a medium setting, and then hot, and 2 different speeds. Okay, I just have to show you how powerful this is. I really should have timed that because like literally 3 minutes and my whole head is done. But this thing is awesome and I just think it's so pretty, like the white and the gray combo. So if you're in need of a powerful hairdryer that'll get your whole head done in 3 minutes, this is it.